Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Demisay Ballesteros, 33 years old, widow, with one son, 16 years old, living in Caligyan, Burgos, Isabela. I have one brother and one sister, and I am the firstborn of the family. I am college level. I took Bachelor of Science in Psychology in Our Lady of Fatima University.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have worked here in Philippines as a helper to a couple with one child. And my main duty is to take care of the child. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundering, and my main duty is to take care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm always securing the safety of the children, sir. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir, in my left wrist.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide my family needs and especially to my children and to be stable, financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your child or children?
My family will take care of my son.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and I will
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will calmly dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to extend if needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all to the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope that you will choose me as your helper. I am responsible, hardworking, and honest. If you choose me as your helper, I will do my best to serve your family. Thank you.
Okay.